So Quatchy down here cleaning off these damn control arms. He done fucked half of them up. He's very strong. He's very strong. Clean them off, get them powder coated or painted. One of the two. Probably just paint them. Be done with it. For the 68 Pontiac Grand Prix. Get all the new front suspension on. New to the rear. We got some upper adjustables here. Putting on, finna mark it up for the rear end. Mark it up, take it back out. Get the gears put in. Paint it, disc brakes. Let it ride. It's a little update on the 68. We done had it tucked off in the corner for a couple months. Deck. Brake booster. We got the wire harness. We're finna get the rocket. Make this thing look like something here in a minute. We're back on it. There you go. There you go. Get it right, top. I'm based them out, clearing them up. Whoop, whoop. Clearing them bitches up. Putting a little shine on them. A little shine for Peggy Bundy. No clip. Quick clip. We back on the Grand Prix, aka Peggy Bundy. Putting all the suspension shit back on. Got the nut, got the nut. For the bottom, what's this one here? That's the top. Alright, my boy Frog, aka Shorthead over here. Mounting everything back up. All new bushings. Ball joints. Tie rods. We got all of that new shit. We're putting in on over here. We're gonna eventually get rid of these damn hubs. Find somebody to make a disc brake conversion kit for it. Getting it together, finna put it on the ground, make it a roller. Start fucking up the inside. Tighten that ass up, tighten that ass up. Firewall smooth. Finna plumb for this AC. What y'all think how the cordless look? How the cordless look on there, man? Grand Prix. aka Peggy Bundy. We got the new gas tank. Got the new tank. Sending unit. And the pump all in. About to push that in. Y'all see them Ken Diggets. Y'all see how we gonna put them Ken Diggets. If y'all know anybody that make a front disc brake conversion kit, hit me up. Please hit me up. If you know anybody that make a front disc conversion kit for the 68 Pontiac Grand Prix. From drums to disc. Cause I can't find shit. Got to be somebody out there that did something. And switch something. If not, then I guess all else fails. I had to try Wildwood. Right, that's that on that. Be back on Peggy Bundy in a minute. Redhead, fat ass. What's up, tubesters? Two bits. Got all the pieces for the Grand Prix out here. Okay, Peggy Bundy. Scuffed up. Finna prime it all up. Few pieces here. Don't need the powder coat. We need the paint. Fixed a little dent here. For the 68 Grand Prix. Fix the dent here. Fix the dent there. Rear bumper. Front bumper. Middle bumper. Radiator support. Fender wells. A couple little small pieces for old Peggy Bundy. Oh yeah. Y'all see we done set it on them colas. With that Viper red and the Ken Digger handles. The grill. Prime the grill. Pieces to prime. Everything to prime up. A little update. I know y'all ain't seen it in a while. It's still here. Just got all the suspension back on. Now she back rolling. Put everything. Tie rods, center links, upper ball joints, lower ball joints, upper bushings, lower bushings, shocks. Shit, what else? Master cylinder, brake booster. Everything brand new under there. Should turn pretty good. One thing we didn't do is the damn gearbox. Guess we'll do that next.